going to be drawing it with the challenge. We're going to be drawing it with the cane. So that's going to be kind of hard. But we can still do it. So let's get started. First, we're going to go to the head. And we're going to make it a little bit more bigger and go like this. I know this sounds below me because a bird's head doesn't really look like that. But I'm going to say today, I'm going to make this bird look like a little bit like a cartoon Budgie. So if you want to make something a little bit more like I want this to look a little like I really look like just do this and connect it if you want. And you can, and then for the beat, you can make a little nostril. And then one of these. And then on the top right here, you can make a little like feather pile. And if you want this to be a color, I'm gonna be doing a different eye. So here's what you're gonna do. Actually we're gonna stay at the same eye that we always do. We're going to do this, and then you're gonna do this. Then if you want to, you can leave it just like that, or you can color it in. I'm gonna leave it like that because I guess I'm just gonna leave it like that. And if you want, and I'm pretty sure that's all I'm doing for this video. Oh wait, one more step. Sorry, guys. Just had that. Sorry. So if you want to see, like I was saying, if you want to see more from my videos, you can go to how to draw something and then say M. Samuel. Because I don't have my own YouTube account. That might sound a little bit fishy, but so yeah. Bye. See you soon.